Kwame Anyimadu-Antwi, who also rose to object the approval process, joining us for some reaction. Honorable, thanks for your time. You, the minority, have had your say, but the majority have had their way. The 7 judges have been approved. What's your reaction? Any remedy again?
Right. I did not rise to oppose the process. I rose to second the motion. The motion for the approval of the justices, that is the substantive one. 2 things went on. One,
but with which you used to register your...
we had our reservations, a minority, so as minority group, and I had to put it across. First on the substantive, we had always, during the 8 years when President Akufo-Addo was the president, we had always had 14 justices of the Supreme Court. When some of them had retired, President Akufo-Addo would nominate, and the number, President Akufo-Addo met it at 14 and left at 14. Now we have, even if with the suspension of the Supreme Court, the Superior
the Chief
Justice, we have 12 justices of the Supreme Court. Now, bringing 7 at a time is making it 19. This is what we are saying. We have never set this precedent in the country. Even though we don't legally have the ceiling of how many judges could be appointed, by guidance, the presidents have been very careful not to exceed this number. So to say that we are bringing 7 at a time to add up, if Justice Tokono is added, we would have 20.
Which you are opposing to. But you are the makers of the law. Would you, amend that portion of the law to bring a ceiling to it?
We haven't. That is not the position of the law. You see, the Constitution is guided by conventions. There are a lot of things. That is what I said. There's a lacuna. We have not given the ceiling at the top. But the various presidents have not exceeded the number 14 that I'm talking about. And now we are going to, without prompting, we are going to 1920.
The conventions would always be at the liberty of discretion of whoever is in power. Why don't you just push for a ceiling? Then this problem is resolved.
Yes, I think that now we have the Constitutional Review Committee is an opportunity for the constitutionals. Otherwise, we don't have to leave it. We leave it. This party comes in and then says that, well, we have to raise it up. In the event that the MPP is coming to power, we may want to go beyond the 20 if you have to shoot it to 20. And that is not right. That was the point we were making.
So you want the Constitutional Review Committee to take this up and find a solution to it?
Yes. Okay. But I think that when I got up, I said that I was reluctant in seconding the motion. And now we had our reservations. As a party, we have a problem if you have to remove 1 Supreme Court judge who is the Chief Justice, and now you come out with 7. I mean, we don't have anything in principle against the judges. And I also said, in addition, that justices like Sir Dominic Ajay, I was in the same chambers with him.